What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm a full-time content creator. So as you guys can see, I just got a bunch of packages delivered with home decor from Article. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a home decor haul and also showing you guys where I'm going to be putting these items in my home. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to open the small skinny box first, which I already know what's in here. It's pillows. So I picked out two of these pillows that kind of just have like this, they have a name to them. I think it said on the box. Gabriola Ivory Buckle, B-O-U-C-L-E. Buckle, I guess, is like what this material's called. It kind of reminds me of like that teddy material, at least the look of it, but the texture of it is quite different. So these are going to be going on my leather armchairs. Okay, so moving on to the next box. This, I'm pretty sure, is one of my stools. I ordered two different stools, one that's like a terrazzo type print, and then the other is more of like a boho rattan type look. So I'm not sure which one this is. It's lighter, so I think it's the other one. Okay, so it is the rattan stool. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. I was wanting, no wait, okay, now I remember. It's been a while now, so I couldn't remember what all I ordered. This is the one that is going to be going in between my two armchairs. And then I picked out the other stool, the terrazzo look one, which I'm confused now. Oh, okay, I remember now. I picked out something that was similar to this, but it was skinnier, and I was gonna use it in the bathroom. And then I guess it was like discontinued, so then I ended up picking out the terrazzo stool instead. So now I might not have anything to go in the bathroom shoot. So we'll see. I'll have to take a look and see if I like the terrazzo stand in there instead. I have marble in the bathroom, and I don't know if I like marble and terrazzo together. Maybe that's kind of weird, but I guess I'll have to see what it looks like. So anyway, moving on. So the terrazzo stand is super heavy, so I'll just show you guys that when I have it in its place. And then the computer chair, got these instructions here, I just have to put together, but I've got the body of it here, which is like a green color, kind of like my shirt, and then I've got the bottom half of it. So I'm just gonna set that up and then show you guys where I'm gonna put everything. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sweaty. Okay, so I think I forgot to mention this in the intro, so I just wanted to briefly let you guys know that all of these home decor items are from the brand Article, who I am working with on my TikTok. So got to do a little partnership there, which is awesome because I had quite a bit of stuff left that I needed to finish decorating our apartment. I still have like a few more things. I'm probably about 90% of the way done now, so that is great. Okay guys, so all of a sudden we have like a thunderstorm, so it's gotten really dark, but here are the 2 armchairs and the 2 new pillows, the new rattan end table. Got my little thrifted lamp there, and I think that looks really, really good. Like that's exactly what I had pictured. Oops, almost tripped. So I think that looks really good. Okay, so there's the terrazzo end table I was telling you guys about. It's like way too dark in the bathroom right now, so I'll show you guys that eventually, but this is what it looks like. Here's a little bit of a closer look. And I'm a little bit surprised because I thought that the terrazzo was gonna be like, the color scheme of it's darker than I was imagining. So it might actually tie in just fine in the bathroom, even with the marble. So like I said, I'll show you guys that next time, but it is super cute and I think it would look amazing with a little plant sitting on it just like that. Or if I do end up using it in the bathroom, then I'll be using it to put, you know, soaps like my book on when I'm taking a bath, stuff like that. Okay, so here is what the computer chair looks like. I just finished putting that together and I think it looks so good, and I love that it gives me another pop of green. I have a lot of pops of green with like my houseplants and stuff. That bird of paradise is dying, so I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. It's been slowly dying ever since our move across the country. It just at some point I think got like overheated and then the roots rotted and stuff. But anyway, so I think it looks super good. And I actually got this little vase when I was thrifting recently, and I decided to keep it for myself because I want to incorporate more pops of green around the apartment. As you guys can see, I've got some pops of green and like the prints and stuff, and then along with like reds and kind of like beiges, natural tones and stuff. So I think that looks super cute. This is not quite done yet. I still have to figure out what exactly I want to go on the desk for sure, and if I still want to do like the basket wall, need a plant there, need to replace that plant. So yeah, still figuring it out. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see more thrifting, home styling type videos, definitely subscribe to my channel for more. And be sure to follow me along on my socials at The Urban Darling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.